the Woodman's Pal 2.0. Let's dig right in and check this thing out. Really nice sheath it comes with. Easy open, in and out. Each blade individually marked for the batch. Now, again, I've been using this for about 2 months, so all the wear and tear is from wood chopping, shaving. Really nice blade, easy to sharpen. The front hook can be used to get out roots out of the ground. It also has a safety edge up here. That way you don't whack yourself. You can grip it really easy. Simple to carve wood at this angle. Nice handle. This is made by an Amish family, so made in America. Nice stain on it. Good grip. Fits very well with gloves. And you can also grip this with 2 hands as well. Now it is full tang, even though you don't see it go all the way down to the bottom. Really nice leather strap on it. And each one of these handles will look just a little bit different from the uniqueness of the, I believe it's ash wood. And a nice little strap to fasten it onto your hands. Makes chopping a lot easier. Not easier, should I say, but more effective. You're getting more power into your swing. Also safer that way too, causes it not to fly out of your hand if you hit it wrong. You can also grip this with 2 hands as well. Getting lots of space for the fingers, especially when you have thick gloves on. And here is a blade that is brand new, just to show you what one looks like. I did use this just once, and that's for where the scratch comes from, but just wanted to show you the quality and what it looks like when it comes out of the box. The sheath that it comes in is also high quality, very thick, durable leather, has a belt loop. Again, this stuff is made to last. You're going to have this for a lifetime. You might even give it to your son, your grandson. High quality stitching. Now here we're going to be making some wood shavings with this, and this is where this really excelled for me over a knife or axe. I'm not very good at making wood shavings with a knife yet, and this allowed me to make some really high quality, nice wood shavings that would be great for fire starting. Look at that. Tell me that won't start a fire. So I really like this for bushcraft purposes, and you'll be seeing me taking this on my just average everyday loadout. You can also take the hook at the top and you can shave wood if you're making maybe a staff or something, you need to debark it. Now the wood that I'm using is oak wood here. Or not oak, but this is apple or cherry wood, which is as hard as oak. So it's not going to get a really good feather on it. But you can see if this was some soft wood, you could make some really nice feathers with this. And again, really good for getting into the ground, digging out roots. You can also use the front as a shovel to dig holes. Chopping wood, again, you could chop some pretty large pieces of wood here. It'll get her done. The thing is a wood chopping machine, it's a kindling machine. And as you can see with some softer wood, we can make some much finer shavings. Not sure what kind of wood this is, but it's definitely softer than the apple and cherry. And I'm a complete amateur. Even before, I'm a novice noob when it comes to bushcraft. So a better bushcrafter than I would be able to put out some really nice feathers with this. So I could really see somebody taking this in addition to their knife, or even maybe skipping their knife and just taking this. Acts very much like an axe-knife combo. Look at that, real nice shavings. We even used it to flip some burgers. You could probably flip pancakes and all kinds of food with it. Thing's just very versatile. There's a ton of different uses for it. It was also used as a weapon, which I thought was kind of cool. So not only do you have a tool, you have something that was given to soldiers for combat. This was used throughout from, I think, World War II, if not World War I, all the way up into the Gulf Storm. The gentleman that owns the company actually, his grandfather, I believe, used the tool. So it has some family heritage. And again, this is all made in America. It comes with these really cool books that talk about the survival and the tool and how to use it in different situations. And these were the actual books that were given to the people that were given the tool. Now, back then, if you were given this tool, and if you were told you were going to have to be ready to use it, you knew something had gone wrong if you had to pull out your Woodman's pal. So this was a true survival tool. And again, really cool to see that it's got some history in it, and it's unique. The other thing about it is it's so different. I mean, look at this. You can even fight with it if you needed to put yourself in a combat situation. So I really kind of liked the versatility, the history of it, and the uniqueness of it as well. I mean, everybody's got an axe, everybody's got a bushcraft knife. So this is definitely something that separates you from the crowd. Actually, when we were out camping here, we had the camp host come over and ask me if I wanted an axe. And I was like, no, I'm actually making a review, and but thank you. And so he was really impressed with it, and he wanted to look at it. And again, the camp next to us came over just because they thought it was pretty cool looking. It is cool looking. Looks like something out of Lord of the Rings, like the Uruk-hai would take with them. But again, it's so versatile. I could really see people skipping an axe, and even possibly skipping the knife and just taking the pal. Now, again, I am sponsored by this company, so is this a paid review? Kind of, but at the same time, this is a high-quality tool that has a history behind it, and if you look around, people love this thing. Now, beware of knockoffs. There are people taking the name, and you want to make sure it's the true Woodman's pal. But again, I feel absolutely confident in telling you guys that you could purchase this with real money and not feel bad about the purchase. As you can see, it's just good for all kinds of stuff and really good fine detail work. I absolutely recommend this. Check them out in the description below. It is a purchase that will last you a lifetime. The only bad thing about it is the price is a little high, but again, this is something that you might be giving to your grandkids with filled with stories about what you created over the years. So again, highly recommended. Thank you guys for taking the time of watching this video. Thanks Woodman Pal for sending out the tool here, as well as sponsoring some of my videos. Again, you guys, it's recommended. Highly, highly recommended. Good stuff.